Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking Up Love. When was the last time you had a big juicy sloppy joe with a soft steamed bun and rich tangy sauce? Make it tonight in under 15 minutes with a handful of sauces I guarantee you'll have in the fridge. This sloppy joe recipe is perfect for when you've got to get dinner on the table fast. First, we're going to brown the ground beef in a large cast iron skillet that I've put some seasoning salt in. This is a lean ground beef. I'm using a package of the Costco Organic 85-15 blend, and you'll see that there is very little fat after it's done cooking. I'm breaking up the beef into smaller pieces, which will help keep the meat from falling off the buns when we start assembling. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss any of our recipes. I've listed the ingredient list here. If you're cooking along, just hit pause so you can gather your ingredients. We'll need a half a cup of ketchup, 1/4 cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's, 1/2 teaspoon of yellow mustard, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and about a pound of ground beef. Okay, you'll be surprised at how fast this comes together and how amazing it tastes. I'll just be measuring everything into the same measuring cup and then stirring it. First, 1/2 cup of ketchup, then the 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of yellow mustard, 2 teaspoons Worcestershire sauce. I'm probably saying that wrong. It doesn't get much easier than this. If you want simple, delicious recipes to make and share with everyone you love, make sure to subscribe. If you've got some picky eaters like me, my youngest son isn't quite the fan of barbecue sauce yet. You can pull out some of the seasoned ground beef for them before adding the sauce we've made. With the heat still on, we're going to add in the sauce. Because I've taken some of the ground beef out, I don't add all the sauce at once. I'll usually add a little over half, and then more if necessary. This sauce is already nice and thick, so once it's thoroughly mixed into the ground beef, I'll let it heat through, only about 2 to 5 minutes. And then you'll see the sloppy joes will be perfectly sauced, not too runny and not too dry. When you like or comment on our videos, it helps other people find our channel. We really appreciate your support. Today I'm giving our buns a quick steam in the microwave. Get ready for a taste from heaven. I'm adding some Colby cheese on the bottom. When I put the cheese on top, the meat mixture tends to tumble off, so I've found that layering the cheese on the bottom works so much better. Next, some heaping spoonfuls of sloppy joe mix. Do you serve your sloppy joes with steamed or toasted buns? Drop your favorite in the comments. And then I'm topping with some onions and pepperoncinis for some crunch and a fresh bite. And serving with some homemade fries, ketchup, and pickles. Wow, that's got Americana Backyard Feast stamped all over it. Easy and delicious homemade sloppy joes in under 15 minutes. You're going to love these super quick and easy sloppy joes, and don't be surprised if the family starts asking for them on the regular. Here's our socials, and another recipe I think you'll like. Remember to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.